Finally, let's discuss the all-in-one plugin suite that replaces multiple WordPress plugins. Why juggle different plugins that can bloat your site? With Nextr, you'll get design tools, performance tuning, admin control, and dynamic features, all in one seamless package. This means fewer conflicts and faster sites, giving you the freedom to focus on what matters most, creating. Whether you're a creator, developer, or agency, Nextr simplifies your workflow and enhances your productivity. So if you're ready to build faster, smarter, and more secure WordPress sites, click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Nextr today.
Take your business to the next level with this AppSumo lifetime deal, available for a very limited time only. Get lifetime access to a powerful tool without ever paying monthly fees again. Choose the plan that's right for you and enjoy peace of mind with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. Whether you're a solopreneur, marketer, or growing team, this deal is built to save you time and money for the long haul. But act fast. Once it's gone for good. Check product link in description below and lock in your lifetime deal today before the clock runs out. Thanks for watching.